The Speedbot Pipeline 3D Flexible Robot Welding Solution is designed for welding carbon steel straight pipes, elbows, flanges, etc., employing gas metal arc welding as the welding process. This workstation does not require teaching the welding positions. It scans the welding seams through contact and laser positioning, while AI algorithms identify the seams and calculate the welding trajectory. After scanning, the robot performs automatic welding with 7-axis linkage. The wire feeding speed is stable, resulting in consistent welding formation, beautiful seams, and high quality.